guys, today we're going to be building a little fall scene because you know it's fall right now. So we're going to do this in sections. First, we'll do the base. So you're going to need if you want, there's two ways to do this. I'm going to actually change mine right now. Hold on, give me a sec, guys. Do I have one? Yes, I do. Okay. Scrap these. So you're gonna need two for the base, two 6x6s. One of them green, the other one can be any color you want. I did orange because fall color. And you're gonna stack your plates like so, like this, and set that aside. Now let's do corn stalk, the first corn stalk. So you're gonna need these pieces right here. Yellow cylinder, green cylinder, two of these, one of this, and two of these. So first you're gonna take your yellow cylinder, and one of these. You're gonna take your two pieces like that. Then you want to take one of these and place it on top of the leaf thingy. Place that underneath like that. And then I would recommend doing this. And then the other one. And then I would do another one of these and the green cylinder to make corn stalk. Set that aside. Now let's make the second corn stalk. I'm going to need a yellow cone, a green cylinder, and 4 of these leaf pieces. So you take your green cylinder and you just stack all of the green pieces on top of each other, starting with the green cylinder on the bottom. And then make them varying in different ways, like that. Then you're going to put your yellow cone on top, and that's your second corn stalk. Set that aside. Then for the scarecrow, you're going to need 2 of these yellow pieces, a 2x2 cylinder, a 2x2 flat cylinder piece, a stud, one of the leafy studs, like this, a 1x4 stud long, or a 4 stud long pole, 2 1x1 flats, and a snot brick with studs all around. So first, you're going to take your snot brick and you're going to stick on the stud on top, like this. Then you're going to take your pole, shove it up, like that. Then you take your flats, you put them here and here on any 2 sides, but make sure they're opposite of each other. Then you take your 2 green pieces, or these pieces, and put them on the sides, like that. You're going to take your 2x2 cylinder and your flat, like this. Place that on top. And the green piece goes on the bottom, like that. Set that aside, and now you're going to get all your pieces. Hold on. So this, scarecrow, and your corn stalks. So you're going to take your base, and you're going to put this guy in the middle of any corner like that. And then you're going to take your corn stalks, and then you're going to place one right around here, I think. And then you would put one over here. That's not fully in. And then like that. And that's your little fall scene. Put it on your desk or something like that. And yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, like and make it turn gold and, well, not gold, more like gray. For mobile users. And then subscribe. Bye.